Alright, hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I have a new wig for you guys from YeahWigs featuring their HD Swiss lace that I'm very excited about. So if you're interested, keep on watching. Alright guys, so again, this wig is from YeahWigs. This is their HD 13x6 Swiss lace body wave wig. Here is the lace up front. It is very transparent, which will really suit many skin tones. It's easy to part and it's super soft and less visible, which is a huge advantage with this wig. In my opinion, this is where most companies should be leaning towards. They should really just be doing their lace with this type of lace. So all the credit to YeahWigs, because I really did not have to put in that much work, really, if any, with this wig. So here I'm just cutting off the lace, which came off very easily, and I started to use a razor now versus just using scissors, because it definitely makes a big difference with it, you know, just looking a little bit more natural and not having that straight line across that you will typically see when taking off like the lacer. So yeah, so here I'm just melting or gluing down the wig. I only use the Got to Be Glue Free Spray. I've been using this method now for about 2.5 to 3 weeks, and it's made such a huge difference. I don't have to worry about any like residue, like that sticky residue coming from the glue. If I want a more like a serious hold, then I'll use a little bit of glue with it. But so far, this method, just using the Got to Be Glued Free Spray, has worked very well for me. So I'm just gonna style this hair pretty quickly, not gonna do too much to it because it really didn't need much work, and that's a huge plus. I don't want to make it seem like that's what you want, is to not have to do so much work and effort, because the amount of money you're paying for these wigs, you really shouldn't have to do all the work. It should really come ready to wear, and this wig from YeahWigs definitely did that. So as far as the hair goes, the hair was very soft. The whole wig itself was it was almost perfect, you guys. The only thing that I got was a little bit of shedding from it. But other than that, I didn't really have any problems or experience, you know, any tangling or anything like that. So I have this in a average size cap, which I typically go for larger cap sizes because I do have a larger head. But this one didn't give me any problems, you guys. I actually was able to wear it all day long and not experience any kind of headaches, or, you know, just anything, any discomfort whatsoever. So if you use like a bandana or something like that to lay your edges, just stop. You should just get some of these strips that I got from the beauty supply store, or I actually got mine from Amazon, because you don't have to deal with, I don't know, they just lay your edges very nicely and help kind of set them, and you don't have to worry about any of that stickiness or any residue whenever you pull it off of your edges and have to deal with all that. So anyways, I hope you guys get what I'm trying to say. But yeah, so I'm just going to add in a few wand curls. This is body wave texture, so you don't have to add in any wand curls or anything like that if you don't want to, which is another reason why I love body wave, because you really don't have to put any effort into it. But I wanted to see how this hair curled, and it curled pretty well, as you can see about my face. As you can see from my face, I was pretty, I guess the word is, surprised that it curled this well. So I went on ahead and just added some more, just so you guys could get a better idea. And I did not have to, like, it took me maybe less than 10 minutes to curl my head, and I just did it all randomly. I just got some sections and just started curling randomly. So yeah, so I just needed a little bit more volume, not necessarily was going for a curl. So I just added that, and then added my wax stick, and then just combing that wax stick through. And I do want to say, with using the wax stick, if you're new to using it, kind of like I am, I haven't been using them for that long, maybe a few months now. But with this hair specifically, I noticed that I kind of like got crazy with it and used a little bit too much. So you don't really have to do it with this hair, because I don't know, it really didn't need it. And I don't know why I went crazy with the wax stick, because it ended up weighing the hair down more than I wanted it to. So just keep that in mind. So here I'm just cutting off a little bit more of those baby hairs. I'm trying to focus on just doing my baby hair, my hairline, just a little bit more natural, not really laying my edges, just letting them be a little bit more wispy, I guess is the right word. So that's all I'm doing here. But yeah, you guys, that's pretty much it on this video. I'm just going to finish up with a little powder on my part, just making it blend a little bit better. But if you are a beginner, this is such a beginner wig, and it's pretty much like a wig that I wish I had known was available, because when I've got my first wig, I don't even think they were doing this kind of lace. So if you are a beginner, if you are someone who just doesn't want to deal with all the lace tinting and all that extra stuff, this is for sure a wig I think would work for you, and I think you should consider, because I was blown away by the ease of it and just how ready to wear it was. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions or comments, please put them down below. And I will talk to you guys in my next video.